Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a very exciting unboxing. For those of you that saw the video I uploaded yesterday, you'll know that I've literally just got back from the New Forest. I uploaded a video yesterday where I unboxed everyone's giveaway things that they sent across. A massive thank you again to everyone that sent something across, ready for the Stacker Social 1 year anniversary, which is going to be hosted on the Stack Collectors channel on the 31st of August at 7 PM. So really excited for that. I will continue to promote it here on my community tab, just to remind people as it gets closer to the time, because there is so much stuff up for grabs. We have roughly £2,300 worth of prizes up for grabs, so incredibly generous of the community. Really looking forward to it. Now I'm just going to get straight into today's video. This is something I picked up from Bay City Bullion. I can't really show you the full unboxing because the box that it's arrived in, that's pretty much all I can show you. The box it's arrived in shows all personal details. It shows Bay City Bullion's personal details, my personal details, all sorts of personal details, because it's come all the way from the US, so there's lots of different labels on there. So it's taken a while to get here, as does everything that you order from the United States. But it also took a little bit longer because you'll see that these pieces quite often get held up in customs when they go through the X-ray machine. So you can probably already guess what I'm going to be showcasing just by me saying that comment. But let's get the knife. Where did I put the knife? There it is. Right, so this is going to be an extremely special piece. Like I've said on Stacker Social and in videos, I'm only really stacking poured silver now. I've kind of hit my limit for my weight stack, if you like. I will obviously in the very long term future continue to build my weight stack, but for now I'm very happy with the amount of ounces I have in my stack. I'm very happy with the amount of generic silver I have in my stack, silver that I have that I could part with no emotion attached. So now it's the time where I'm going to be treating myself a little bit more and only picking up pieces that are poured silver to support the pourers and the small businesses in the community, and also just to keep, wow, look at this, and also just to keep my channel interesting and the excitement for picking up pieces by picking up new and different pieces. But this is a very special piece. Those of you that have bought things or seen things from Bay City Bullion before, you'll know that he is a very premium pourer in the community. Everything he does is immaculate, and it's always finished to a very high standard. So I've been looking forward to this for quite some time. He's actually included a sticker, a Bay City Bullion sticker, and also a poker chip. I didn't even know that Bay City Bullion had his own poker chip, so that's really cool. BCB, Bay City Bullion. Look at that. Really nice, classy looking poker chip to add to my collection. And then we've got the COA here. I'm not going to show you the other side of it just yet because that'll spoil what's inside here. And I don't think it was actually opened by customs. When I last ordered some similar items from Bay City Bullion, it was actually opened up by customs. It had all customs re-wrapped labels on it and re-taping labels on it and all the rest of it. Whereas this time it looks intact. So although it was held in customs for a little bit longer than normal, wow, I don't think they actually opened it up. But look at this. This, wow. That feels so good in the hand. Absolutely incredible. Now for those of you that have been watching my videos along, you'll know that I've actually already got this same piece in copper, and it's in my suitcase that I kitted out to hold all these pieces. And I'm going to be careful with the wording I use because I don't want this video to get taken down, so I won't be saying what this is. But yeah, I've got a suitcase that holds all of these types of pieces, and I've currently got in there 2 copper pieces just like this. And I thought, you know what, I'll get a silver version to replace one of those. But this is absolutely incredible. The weight on this is ridiculous. It's so good in the hand. You can see it weighs 13.3 troy ounces of 3/9 fine silver. Bay City Bullion's stamp on the back, and he's also very kindly put 365 on there, which I didn't even ask him to do on this piece. So thank you very much for making it even more personal. And what I love about this piece is on this side you can tell that it's a poured piece. You can tell that it's been hand poured and sanded and smoothed down, and then when you flip it around you just get to see it in all its beauty. And look at that, I absolutely love the handle, really nice design on that. Absolutely incredible piece. Now, how it came about me picking up this piece was after I showcased my other collection of these, Bay City Bullion saw that I had some copper versions of this, and he actually said to me, I'm pretty sure I've got a mould knocking around somewhere of this exact same design, but I can do in silver. He said, I poured a few a while ago. I think he said he poured a few years ago. And he said he's got to have a look around and see if he can find the mould. And if he could, he'd be able to do me a silver one if I was interested. So I said, absolutely, tell me the price. I'll definitely pick one of these up in silver, because I think they're absolutely incredible. And just imagine 13 ounces, the weight of that in your hand as well. It feels so substantial. The detail on this is incredible. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. This is probably going to be one of my favourite pieces in my collection. And I can't wait to add it to the suitcase with all the others. So yeah, really stunning piece. Let's have a quick look at the COA. You can see it says 3/9 fine silver, 13.3 ounces. That's the model there, 2024. It's got his signature, and you can see there's his email address and all the rest of it. So really classy COA as well in this hard plastic folder. But yeah, absolutely stunning piece. Do let me know in the comment section what you think of this. Incredible, real solid bit of weight. Absolutely incredible. Look at that, what a premium piece that is. And this was actually chucked over my back gate, believe it or not. I actually had someone looking after my house while I was away on holiday, taking in parcels for me. And the postman must have knocked on the door, and the person staying at my house didn't hear the door, they popped out or whatever it was, and they've chucked it over the back gate. So this has literally been sitting over my side gate in my garden for however many days while I've been away. Yeah, I'm lucky to actually get this in one piece and someone not see this and take it. But yeah, absolutely incredible. The weight is hard to describe, but imagine a 10-ounce bar that's spread out wider than a 10-ounce bar, so it's not so compact. You've obviously got a 10-ounce bar here, but obviously this is a lot smaller. This is a lot more spread out, so it makes it feel even more substantial in the hand. But yeah, what an incredible piece. Really chuffed with that. Absolutely stunning. So thank you, Bay City Bullion, if you're watching this video. Thank you so much for digging out this mould and pouring this for me. And I will do a video in the future showing you me putting this in my suitcase and removing one of the copper pieces. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Really appreciate all the support, and I hope you all have a very nice day. Here's just a quick bonus footage for those of you that are watching to the end. Now this is the case that I was talking about in the video that has got all of the other pieces that I own similar to this showcased in. You can see they're all kitted out nicely in here. The foam is cut out perfectly to fit them. Now I thought that I would just be able to take out one of these copper ones, which is exactly the same as the piece I've just showcased, and replace it, but little did I realise how much smaller these are. These are only 5.2 ounces of copper, and if I take that out the way, let me pop that up there for a sec, and we have a look at this piece. This actually dwarfs everything in this case by a long shot. Excuse the pun. So that is definitely not going to fit in the case. Well, not in the current cutout piece anyway. But I am actually going to make it work. Will I be able to make it work? Let me have a look. Yeah, I can make it work, I think, by just cutting it a little bit larger. And then what I'll do is I'll actually give away one of these copper pieces in the prize bundle for the Stacker Social giveaway on the 31st of August. So one of these really cool copper paws will be going into the prize pot. It will probably be this top one, because this I think will look better at the top there. So if we pop that back in there and take that out, let me just have a look. Yeah, I think that looks better right at the top there. Look at that. So I'm going to cut that into the foam so that in the next video that'll actually be nicely in this box. And then this piece, which is 5.1 ounces of copper, will be added to the giveaway chest for the Stacker Social birthday bash on the 31st of August. So there we go, another piece of copper added into the giveaway chest. So thanks very much for watching. Thanks for watching to the end. I really appreciate all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day. So here we go, we've got some bonus footage. I've just used the scalpel to cut this a little bit wider. Now this fits in very nicely into there. Look at that, what a stunning set. And then we've still got the baby version in copper down the bottom. And like I said, this will be going in the giveaway chest. Absolutely stunning piece, really unusual, hard to get hold of here in the UK. I had to get this all the way from the US, so postage alone on this was quite a lot. So really unique piece going into the giveaway chest there. So yeah, I hope you like the updated collection. I think it looks stunning in that box. Really pleased with how that looks, and I'm quite happy to say that has completed my obsession with poured pieces shaped like this. This one's really cool. Look, this one's got two sides, whereas the other ones, like this one here, is just a single-sided one. But yeah, absolutely stunning. Really nice collection there. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and like I said, I'll see you very soon.